Picked up my first of many Sephora orders. If you don't know, Sephora spring savings events happening right now. Let's go through the bag together. Summer Fridays jet lag mask. I've been using this for 6 years. It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. This is usually my go-to daytime moisturizer. Anti-aging, good for dry skin. Kerastase nutritive mask is the best hair mask. I use this about once a week and it just makes your hair so like nourished. It's also really good if you have an oily scalp because some masks will just make my hair oilier and oilier, but this is really good and doesn't do that. Picked up another Milk Hydro Grip Primer and another Stay Glowy Super Gel in shade Sun Glow. I got another shade of the House Labs foundation. I love the formula, but the shade I got before didn't work for me, so I'm going to try out another one. This House Labs blush in shade Hibiscus Haze. Tell me that does not look amazing. I cannot wait to dig into it. I may or may not have picked up another Rare Beauty powder blush in a different shade. I'll do a separate video on this one. Restock of the Lcome SS Booster. This is the lash primer that I use. Put on my lashes before my mascara and it just works so well. Speaking of mascara, I got a restock of the Ilia Limitless mascara. That combination is chef's kiss. Lastly, I got a restock of the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This one is so hydrating. I really find it to work so well on mature skin. Or if you have any wrinkles or creases, it's like an OG for me. Okay, that's it. I'm actually going back to Sephora today to pick up a few more things, but also shop for you guys. If you follow me over on Instagram, I do a ton of giveaways. So it's the same handle, Next with Nita. That's it. Bye.